Hello everybody, my name is Valentina. Welcome to my channel Valentines Collection. In my last video, I tried to convince you to start getting ready for Valentine's Day already, and I gave you 3 reasons for that. In this video, I will show you how I got ready for Valentine's Day. I have been busy since my last video crafting my Valentine's collection. Or I could call it Valentina's Collection. It's actually the same. As you can see, I have put everything on the mannequin before starting recording, and the reason why I did it is because the mannequin is not very stable, so I hope I'm not gonna drop it during the recording. Let me introduce you to my poncho. This is a poncho that I have designed myself, and it's one of my best sellers when I sell at craft markets. It is knitted in a very simple garter stitch. It is made in 2 squares sewn together and to form a diamond. It's pretty warm and light, and it is a very good quality acrylic, so it's pretty soft. My next item is a blouse that I have made a few times and is also a good seller. I call it the butterfly blouse because of the bell sleeves and this effect. It's lace crochet and it gives you an effect of changing colors even if it's a solid color. As you can see, I haven't weaved in the tails yet. Forgive me for that. This is not my design. There is a tutorial on YouTube. I will put the link in the description box. The next one is a blouse as well. Again, this is not my design. I found the tutorial on YouTube and I will link that tutorial in the box as well. This is made of a yarn that is a mix of cotton and acrylic. It is probably to be considered a summer blouse. However, for a date in the evening, I think that it could be worn even if it is cold, provided that it is not too cold where you are. Lastly, on the mannequin, definitely my best seller. This is a cropped top with this big flower in the front. I'm not too sure whether I should consider this my design or not, and I explain you why. You can find a number of tutorials online for this flower. However, I haven't seen around anybody who has made this top the way I do it without sleeves and with this big flower. So probably not entirely my design. This is pretty popular and I sell it pretty well at craft markets. This is the last item on the mannequin. I'm going to show you what I made, some wearables and some not wearables. Smaller items. I have prepared 2 baskets, different items. A very popular one is this granny stitch bucket hat, and I have made these in this Mexican pink with baby pink. I have made this one, which is a dark orchid with a power pink. And I have made this one, which is a darker rose and a lighter rose mix. These bucket hats have sold pretty well throughout the year. I have winter ones in acrylic and I have the spring ones, summer ones in cotton. Another hat that I made is this beanie with 2 pom-poms. This is a 2x2 rib and it is knitted. I guess it could fit both an adult and a kid, so it could be an ideal gift for Valentine's Day, even for people that are not going on a date. Another accessory I made is this bag. I'm not too sure about whether to leave it this length. Maybe it's a little bit too big, maybe it should be shorter. So I'm going to decide what to do with it. And then another blouse I made from a tutorial on YouTube. This is going to be in the box, in the description box. You will find the link. It's probably a summer item, but can be worn with the top underneath and a jacket on top, even with this kind of temperature. I don't know where you are, but here it is being a mild winter. Then I have made some accessories for the hair, for the ladies and the girls. And it is this headband with hearts. I have made it in, I think this can be considered burgundy, or I rather call it, in Italy we call this color Bordeaux, and in France as well, I guess. And I have also made it in pink. The pink one is acrylic. I don't particularly like the outcome. I prefer the Bordeaux one, which is made in cotton. I think that the heart shape is much more stiff and so more visible. And then I made much more of the scrunchies that I showed you in my last video. I made this, call it, I think it's a dark fuchsia with a pink edge. I made it in pink with a dark red edge. I made it in a dark red with a pink edge, and I made it in pink with the fuchsia edge. And I think this is all. And then I made these ones I love. I made it in dark fuchsia and pink. And these, I'm pretty sure, are going to be some nice gifts for both ladies and younger girls. So I count on parents maybe buying a little Valentine's Day gift for their kids as well. I surely will for my son. I'm either going to buy something or to make it myself, because he's the joy of my life and the love of my life. I don't think I will ever love anybody like I love him. So definitely a Valentine's Day to celebrate. You will find all these items on my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box. If you are interested in buying anything, there is currently a 15% discount for all these items. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and if you like my Valentine's collection, please like the video and subscribe so that you can be updated on all of my future videos as soon as I post them. Bye bye for now. See you soon.